Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Explainable AI, XAI, peeking inside the AI's brain to understand its decisions. Imagine you ask a chef to bake a delicious cake. They give you a perfect cake, but refuse to tell you the ingredients or steps. You can enjoy it, but you don't know why it's good, or how to fix it if it's bad. That's often how we feel about advanced AI. Explainable AI, or XAI, is like asking that chef for the recipe. It's a field in AI that focuses on making AI models understandable to humans. For us developers, it means we can finally understand why our AI makes certain decisions, instead of just accepting its output. Many powerful AI models today, especially complex ones like deep neural networks, are often called black boxes. This means you put data in, and you get a prediction out, but you have no idea what happened in between. It's like having a magic box. You know what goes in and what comes out, but the inner workings are a mystery. As a developer, this is frustrating. You can't debug effectively, improve performance, or even trust the model if you don't understand how it arrived at its answer. XAI aims to open up these black boxes. Imagine an AI decides whether someone gets a loan, a medical diagnosis, or if an autonomous car should brake. If these AI systems make a mistake, or show bias, we need to know why. For example, if an AI says, "Patient has disease X," doctors need to know which symptoms led to that conclusion. To verify and trust it, if an AI denies a loan, the person needs to know the reason to dispute it or improve their application. Without XAI, we're building powerful tools we can't fully control or audit, leading to potential ethical, legal, and safety issues. XAI doesn't just read the AI's mind. Instead, it uses clever techniques to infer what the AI considered important. Think of it like this. If you want to know why a friend chose a certain outfit, you might ask them, was it the color, the comfort, or the occasion? XAI does something similar by asking the AI, or observing it, questions like, which parts of the input data, e.g., pixels in an image, words in text, were most important for this specific decision? Or, what features did the model rely on the most overall? By analyzing these questions, XAI tools can generate explanations, often in the form of heat maps, feature importance scores, or decision rules, making the AI's logic visible. As a developer, you'll encounter different XAI approaches, often categorized by what they explain and how they do it. For example, local explanations asterisk tell you why one specific prediction happened, e.g., this pixel area made the model think it was a cat. Global explanations asterisk describe the overall behavior of the model, e.g., our model generally looks for fur and whiskers to identify cats. There are also asterisk model agnostic asterisk techniques that work with any AI model by just observing its inputs and outputs, and asterisk model specific asterisk techniques that dive deep into the internal structure of a particular AI type. Choosing the right technique depends on what you need to explain. For us developers, XAI isn't just an academic concept. It's a practical tool that makes our lives easier. 1. Debugging. If your AI makes wrong predictions, XAI helps you pinpoint why. Is it looking at the wrong features? Is there a hidden bias in the training data? XAI can reveal these flaws, much like a debugger helps you find bugs in your code. 2. Model improvement. By understanding what the model is focusing on, you can refine your data, adjust your model architecture, or re-engineer features to make it more robust and accurate. 3. Building trust. When you deploy an AI, stakeholders, clients, managers, end users need to trust it. XAI provides the explanations necessary to build that trust and meet growing regulatory requirements. It's truly a superpower for any AI developer. While XAI is incredibly powerful, it's not without its challenges. Explaining a complex AI can itself be complex. Simpler explanations might miss nuances, while detailed ones can be hard to understand. There's often a trade-off between how accurate an explanation is, fidelity to the model, and how easy it is for a human to comprehend. Simplicity. The future of XAI involves creating more intuitive visualization tools, developing robust evaluation metrics for explanations, and integrating XAI techniques directly into AI model development pipelines. It's a rapidly evolving field, ensuring AI becomes not just smart, but also transparent and trustworthy for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.